everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kateschwanke, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Jeep brand Sport Utility All-Terrain Stroller by Delta Children. Now this is a full, in-depth review. I'm going to go over every single feature of this stroller, plus I'm going to show you guys my kids in the stroller, as well as how the stroller folds and how it looks in a trunk of a car. Now I received the stroller from the brand a few weeks ago, and I have been really enjoying this stroller, and I did it in collaboration for an Instagram post, but I wanted to do my own review for this, guys, so that you could see how amazing it is and just all the great features, because it has a lot to offer. Now before I start, I just want to tell you guys this stroller is a great bang for your buck. This retails for $349, but for that price you get so many features. You even get added in accessories that you wouldn't get with other brands for the same price. And besides that, this is a 3-in-1 stroller, so you can use it from infancy all the way to toddlerhood. Besides this stroller being a great price, I also have a 15% off code for you guys down in the description below, so I will leave that there for you. Now this stroller is ideal for newborns all the way up to toddlerhood, like I mentioned, but this stroller holds up to 50 pounds, so even my 7-year-old could probably fit in here. He is like right there at 50 pounds. I'm not going to show you guys that today with him in it. I'm going to show you my 4-year-old and my 13-month-old later on in this video. So this stroller is actually made to grow with your child, and besides growing with your child, it's also great for shorter parents like me. I'm 5'2" for reference, and my husband is 6 foot tall, so you have this adjustable handle here, so you can put it up, you can put it down. I'll show you guys that in a little bit, but it works really great for parents of all heights, which he and I both really appreciate. So when this first arrived in the box, it was a little bit daunting because the box is good size, and the stroller is not a small stroller. It is a 32-pound stroller, but surprisingly, it was super easy to put together, which I really like because it really only took me like 5 minutes to do. The actual look of the stroller I really like. I think it's clean, it's classy, it's modern, and I really like the fabric that they chose. I feel like it's really high quality, and I just love the look of it. Now I want to go over the accessories that are included with this stroller because I think they are just a great touch. Also, considering the price of this stroller, that it actually comes with a car seat adapter and it comes with a diaper bag too. So as I mentioned, this stroller does come with its own car seat adapter, and this works with a lot of different car seats, and I will leave all of the models that it works with in the description below for you guys. Today I have my Key-Fit 30, and that is compatible with this, and because that is one of the most popular styles of car seats, because it is one of the safest and also a great bargain, I love that it is compatible with this. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. This is really easy to install. You just click it right into place here, and as I mentioned, this stroller is a 3-in-1. So you can use it with just the car seat and the frame, making this a way more compact stroller, or you can use it with the seat, which is reversible, and I'll show you guys that in a bit. But as you can see, that went in no problem. It also comes with these safety straps that I'm not going to show you guys today how that works, but I do want to show you what the car seat looks like when it is attached. So here's my Key-Fit 30, and I'm just going to go ahead and snap it right into place. It does snap in, as I mentioned, and then you also have the safety straps as well, so it's extra secure. You can hear it click in. So now it's literally attached to the stroller, and then you can put on the Velcro straps as well. But I really love that you can easily see your baby, and I love that the seat is removable, so you can put this on if you want to. A lot of times our babies are sleeping and you don't want to wake them up and pull them out of there and put them into a stroller, so I love that you have this option. Besides that, you also get one more accessory with the stroller, and that is this little diaper bag by Jeep. And I actually really like it. As a lot of you may know, I review diaper bags all the time, and I'm very picky about which ones I like. And this one's actually very well done. I really like it. It is specifically made for the stroller. So it has built-in Velcro stroller straps on the sides, so you can easily attach it to your stroller here. You also have bottle pockets on the sides that are really easy to access. And you have a grab handle on top. Here's the bottle pockets on the side. They're mesh with elastic. And then the inside of the bag actually has a lot of storage as well. And I'll show you here just what the inside looks like. This is the Jeep bag that comes with your stroller. It has a rubber grab handle on the top here. On the back you have one slip pocket that's actually good size. On the sides you have one bottle pocket on each side. I can even fit my Contigo water bottle in here. You also have these great little stroller clips that are Velcro. They hook on any stroller. Underneath this front flap here, you do have a button closure. And then on the inside, you have a long zipper compartment here. You have an empty compartment in the middle, and then you have 2 slip pockets on the front here that are actually joined together by this Velcro. And that is the bag that comes with your stroller. So one of the best features of the stroller is the actual seat that you can remove, you can reverse it. It's actually very lightweight on its own, so when you do remove it, if you want to fold the stroller without it, and this actually can fold with it as well, but if you want to do that, it's just very lightweight, and I really like that. So I'm quickly going to show you guys how you can remove this. You just push in the buttons on the sides, pull up, it's super easy, very light as I mentioned, and then you can just turn it around and click it into place. Super simple, I love that. You also have this beautiful hood here, which you can fully push back. You can fully bring it forward. It has a decent sized canopy. Besides that, you have another piece underneath here that can pop out. And this is a 50 sunproof sun shield. So it just helps protect your child a little bit more. And if you don't want it, you just push it right back in. So it makes it look nice and clean and uniform. You also have a peekaboo window over here. So you can just pull this fabric back. Everything that is about the stroller is quiet. I don't hear Velcro, I don't hear any magnets or anything. So I really like that as well. The piece right here is covered in a clear plastic, so you can look down into your child's seat and see if they're sleeping without waking them up. And when you're done looking at them, or you just want it to look more uniform, you can put it back extra quiet. This hood also features reflective piping, and it's very effective. I really like how bright it shines when you are in the dark and there is like maybe a car coming towards you. It really lets them know that you're there. Another feature that I really like about this stroller is that you have a very quiet recline, a very smooth recline. There is a little handle right here on the back. You just push it up and you can very smoothly recline this all the way if you have a sleeping child, and I've done that before and it works great. You don't wake your child up or anything. And if you want it to go back up, you can do that. That is the most upright it goes. You can stop it just about anywhere. Now let's look a little bit more into the seat. So this is what the actual inside of the seat looks like. It's very nice and padded and soft, and my baby loves sitting in this seat because it's super comfortable, very squishy, and also the fabric feels pretty breathable as well. It's also easy to access, so if I need to hand my child something, it's very easy to do. Even getting him in and out of here is very easy. You can unattach this bar from either side, you can completely remove it. I'm just going to do one side for now. It's very simple to do. And I want to show you guys the 5-point harness system. It's also very easy to adjust this strap if you want to move this up a notch or two for a bigger child. But you do have your 5-point safety harness. So this keeps your child extra secure. It's also very easy for you as a parent to just push that and let your child out. Now, something else I really like about this seat is how adjustable this bottom part is. It has different settings. So that is a flatter setting. You can also have it a little higher, and that is as high as it will go. And then you can also drop it all the way down as well. So if your child's napping or you just have an infant, you may want to have it fully pushed up like that. As I mentioned before, this handle on the stroller is really awesome. I really appreciate when a brand makes a stroller that can adapt to how tall or short you are. My husband and I are very different in size. He's 6 foot, I'm 5'2", so this part right here is actually a really good height for him to push. But for me personally, I really need it about here. So that works really great for me. And if you have children that would like to push this stroller, you can actually go down even further so they can push here. And it's actually pretty comfortable for me as well. So you have a bunch of different settings on this actual stroller handle. Now I do really want to talk about just how smooth the ride is on this stroller. It does have air-filled tires in the back, which I will show you in just a little bit. But that definitely helps contribute to how smooth and non-bumpy the ride is with the stroller. And even just going up and down curbs and things, it's very easy to do. So I'll just show you that real quick. It does have a brake on the bottom, which I will also show you later. But even on from carpet to the wood flooring here, it's very smooth. You have 2 front swivel wheels, so it's very smooth. I really like how well this maneuvers. And besides that, I can actually push this very easily with one hand. so that if I am pushing my 13-month-old, I can hold my 4-year-old's hand. So that is a big help to me. Now the front tires are foam, I believe, and they can lock into place or swivel. The back tires are air-filled, and this stroller is very smooth, even over rough terrain. It also features a OneTouch cable lock brake system, which is super user-friendly. I can do it in sandals, I can even do it barefoot. It's very easy. And because the stroller is all-terrain, you can literally take it anywhere: grass, sand, gravel, and dirt paths. Now the basket on the stroller has 3 main access points. You have the main basket here. You can also enter from this side and from this side. It's great for storing shopping bags and smaller diaper bags. As I mentioned before, the Jeep diaper bag that comes with this particular stroller is a perfect fit in here. So you can easily access that and just grab it with the grab handle out. I also have my GGBB light here and ... and I'm going to show you that this is also a really great fit as well. Very easy to access. For your larger diaper bags, you're going to want to hang those on your actual handlebars because a lot of them will not fit into this opening. I did want to quickly show you how my children fit in the stroller. Today I will be showing my 4-year-old and my 13-month-old. Folding the stroller is super easy, and when it is folded, it can actually be freestanding, which really frees up space in your garage. And even if you are just putting your child into the car and don't want to mess with the whole stroller falling over thing, this really helps with that. And for being a large stroller, it actually has a fairly compact fold, and I'm looking forward to showing you guys that. Now you can actually fold the stroller with or without the seat attached. So I'm going to show you guys real quickly how you fold this stroller with the seat attached. You pull all this back here, make sure your handlebar is straight here and that the footrest is down, and that is it. All you have to do after that is you're going to pull on the sides here towards you and then push this all down together. I'm small, so I always have a little trouble doing it, but as you can see, it's now freestanding, so that's pretty awesome. You can also just push this down so it's a little bit more flat on top. So that's how it looks when it is totally collapsed, and now I'll show you guys how to raise it back up, and wish me luck because I am smaller. The stroller is a little bit bigger for me. So I'm going to release the latch on this side. And what I like to do after I release the latch is just pull this out a little bit towards me. This is how I've found out how it works the best for me. Hold this right here, and voila, it's pretty simple. Now let's see how well this stroller fits in a sedan and an SUV. Now, as much as I love this stroller and I've talked about all the wonderful things, let's talk about the cons, which is actually not very many. This is a full-size stroller and the fold is not like super compact because of that, and you do have larger back wheels, so that contributes to it being a larger compact fold. It still is pretty compact though, as I showed you guys before. So in a smaller vehicle, it will take up more space in your trunk. If you have an SUV, no problem. But if you have a compact sedan or a coupe or something, it's definitely going to take up space in your trunk. The second con is just the basket is a little bit more difficult to fit in larger items. So if you have a larger diaper bag like the GGB BFF, or maybe even the Be Right Back, it might be a little bit more difficult to fit it into the stroller basket. But then again, your option with that is just hang it from the bar. This is a heavy stroller, 32 pounds, so it's heavy enough to be able to handle having a larger bag hanging from the handlebars. With all that being said, I still don't think that's any reason not to buy this stroller. I think it has way too many good features, especially for the price. Those two things just do not bother me. So I highly recommend it. I love this stroller. It's been a pleasure to ride it around in the neighborhood. And if after this review you feel like you really want to buy this stroller, I will definitely leave that 15% off coupon down in the description below so you can save a little bit of extra money. I hope this was a helpful review for you, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up while you're here, and definitely subscribe if you're new, and comment down below and let me know what your favorite feature is about this stroller. Thanks for watching!